Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more fun.
Good morning, little alligator, rise and shine today. The sun is up, it's time to play. Hooray, hooray, hooray! He brushes teeth with bubbles bright, sparkles shine and clean. His tiny tail goes side to side, he's freshest ever seen. He wears his red cap ready to explore. He opens up his little door and runs across the floor. He meets his monkey friend so sweet, swinging from the tree. Hello, monkey, come with me, let's have fun by the sea. They find their parrot buddy bright, talking all the way. Let's go swim, let's splash around, it's such a sunny day. They dive and blow some bubbly rings, floating up so high. The fishies giggle all around as they go swimming by. Then up they come, shake off the drops, shiny scales so green. They laugh and dance on grassy ground, happiest ever seen. The butterfly says, hi my friends, can I dance too? Of course, says Gator, join us now, we love to dance with you. They twirl and spin in happy tune, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Then clouds come rolling soft and white, oh look, it's shade for me. They rest beneath the mango tree, munching on some fruit. The parrot sings a gentle song, so calm and oh so cute. Then raindrops start to patter down, rain time, come and play. They jump in puddles, splash and laugh, dancing all the way. Rainbow stretches in the sky, shining bright and tall. Look at colors, 1, 2, 3, we love them all. When the rain is done, they dry beneath the tree so wide. The sun peeks out and warms them up, shining side to side. The monkey says, let's build a boat, we'll sail around the lake. Together they make a little boat, no time to take a break. They paint it red and blue so bright, stripes of yellow too. Hop inside, the gator says, we've got a job to do. They sail around with gentle waves, the water cool and blue. The ducklings cheer and swim along, quacking hello too. They wave to turtles on the rocks, resting side by side. A dragonfly goes zooming past, gliding smooth and wide. The gator smiles, his heart so light, what a lovely ride. Evening comes with purple sky, they head back home again. The stars begin to twinkle bright like silver drops of rain. They reach their home, they're tired now, but happy deep inside. Good night, monkey, good night, bird, says Gator with a smile. He hugs his teddy made of leaves and rests a little while. He dreams of rivers blue and long and castles made of sand, of friends who laugh and sing along, all holding hand in hand. The moon keeps watch from up above, shining soft and kind. Sweet lullabies the crickets sing to soothe his little mind. The jungle sleeps, the stars all gleam, it's peaceful everywhere. Little gator snuggles deep, dreams floating in the air.
Do you like this video? Then hit the like button and subscribe button. Bye, dear!